One of my personal prized regulators is my Poseidon 𝐾𝐨𝐽 regulator, and there are many highly experienced divers around the world who trust them, and I'll explain why. Hi all of you awesome scuba divers out there, welcome to the Scuba Diver Magazine channel, your favourite place for the latest scuba diving news and gear reviews. Yes, Poseidon aren't like some of the other dive gear manufacturers. When they release a design, they tend to stick with it because it just works. And while some designs have come and gone and upgraded themselves over time, there are several features that make a lot of sense for a diver, and I'm going to explain a few of them. And I've dived Poseidon gear for a long time now, as you can see from the absence of fur on my face, but Poseidon's philosophy has never been about following the crowd. Since 1958, they've approached regulator design by asking a very simple question: what actually works best underwater? The mindset is why Poseidon regulators look different, they breathe different, and they have built such a loyal following among divers who value engineering over convention. The 𝐾𝐨𝐽, for example, in particular, was originally created back in '58 and has steadily improved since then, adopting new technology where needed while keeping the same simplicity and robustness that made it famous in the first place. And talking about their engineering, Poseidon develops and tests its equipment in Gothenburg in Sweden. This is also where they handle final assembly and quality control. While some components are manufactured by carefully selected partners, it's always according to their strict standards, and they all have to pass through their headquarters before they reach the market. Every product that leaves their facility has been thoroughly tested, often beyond what certification standards require. Their regulators and rebreathers are designed to function in extreme cold, in high current, deep dives, zero visibility, and mission critical environments where others fall short. That is a big reason why Poseidon equipment has found favour not just with recreational and technical divers, but also with professional organisations including the US Navy, the US Coast Guard, Swedish Armed Forces, and the German Bundeswehr. Side exhaust second stages are a huge benefit for divers, and I have been an advocate for them ever since my teaching days. The second stage design that you see on most models out there of regulators has one major flaw: they do not function properly when they're upside down. If you need to switch to a second stage underwater, you need to purge the water from it to avoid a mouthful of water, and I've seen it many times where an unfamiliar diver just puts the second stage in upside down with the purge valve upwards, and you just end up with a mouthful of water. Poseidon regulators, like this 𝐾𝐨𝐽, the 𝐸₆ and the 𝐽𝑒𝑡, they're all side exhaust, which means that they don't really have an upside down, and you can't put them in the wrong way round because there is no wrong way round. The regulator hose enters from one side of the second stage, and on the far side is a one-way purge valve, and all you simply do is pop it in and then you exhale, and then all of the water comes out of one side. The design also makes them refreshingly compact as well compared to a lot of other designs, and helps prevent current-induced free flow, as well as redirecting exhaust bubbles away from the diver's field of view. With the breathing diaphragm on one side instead of on the front of the second stage, when you're swimming straight into current in the water itself isn't going to be pressing on that purge valve and then opening it, and then you get a mouthful of gas. And when you exhale, instead of the bubbles just flowing right over your face, they vent off to one side for a clearer view. On top of that, the symmetrical layout means that Poseidon regulators can be used from either the left or the right hand side, which also makes air sharing in an emergency much more intuitive. The most you ever have to do is just tilt your head a little bit. This is another big feature that I like on regulators. You don't see adjustment knobs and switches on Poseidon regulators. There are no Venturi levers or tuning knobs for you to think about mid-dive. The idea is quite simple. Instead of asking you to manage the regulator as conditions change, Poseidon engineers the breathing performance to happen automatically. So rather than giving you extra knobs and levers to fiddle with during the dive, they engineer the regulator so it just breathes smoothly from the start. Whether you're diving for pleasure, training in Arctic lakes, or descending far deeper, the regulator is designed to do the work for you so you don't end up being the regulator yourself. And with the 𝐾𝐨𝐽 design being in our oceans for over 6 decades now, you know you can trust it. Poseidon regulators are built to handle a broad range of environments, from warm water recreational dives to genuinely cold conditions. Thanks to their Scandinavian origin, it's practically essential, and I've dived mine in the Arctic Circle. Because Poseidon was born in the icy north, cold water performance has always just been part of the foundational design brief. With built-in antifreeze protection and EN 250 cold water approval, where some other regulators may struggle and need adjusting, Poseidon regulators just get the job done. On some of their first stages, the TDA, or the thermodynamic antifreeze, ensures that through flowing water keeps the ice away entirely without the need for fluids or extra diaphragms. And that's one of the clever things about Poseidon's approach. Rather than piling on more complexity, they've just engineered cold water performance directly into the design. This is one of the key technical differentiators on the Jetstream and the Xstream designs. Poseidon describes it like power steering in a car. A very small valve controls a much larger one. The small servo valve needs very little force to open, which keeps inhalation effort low, whilst the larger valve can still deliver extremely high airflow when demanded. This gives good smooth breathing performance at any depth and under any pressure. And that automatic behavior is a core reason the diver does not need to manually tune the regulator. Servo valve technology is one of the big reasons a Poseidon regulator feels different to breathe. With that small valve affecting the larger one, it means a very light cracking effort. So when you're inhaling, how hard you have to inhale for it to actually open up that valve is incredibly light. So low effort for the diver, but huge gas delivery when you actually need it. So in extreme circumstances, when you need plenty of gas, it can deliver plenty of gas. So in practical terms, it's designed to stay very easy breathing at depth, regardless of the cylinder pressure as well, and of course under stress. The Ruby ball is mainly associated with the Xstream range. The Xstream uses a patented Ruby ball seal that is automatically positioned by a floating seat. This balances upstream pressure against the spring force, so the regulator keeps the sealing advantages of a perfectly spherical ball without the problems caused by incorrect sealing pressure. It's also self-balancing, meaning consistent high performance regardless of cylinder pressure. The Ruby ball technology, it sounds exotic, but the real point is consistency. In the Xstream design, Poseidon uses that patented Ruby ball seal and the floating seat to keep the first stage self-balancing. The benefit for the diver is more stable performance across the life of the tank, rather than a regulator that feels noticeably different as cylinder pressure changes. And that's part of why the Xstream has built such a serious reputation in professional and deep diving circles. The Xstream, of course, has different models for air, nitrox, trimix, or 100% oxygen, and is certified to 200 meters, so it's a very popular choice for deep divers. So whilst Poseidon regulators may be their headline act, I've spoken a lot about their regulators today, but they're far from the only thing that Poseidon makes. From advanced rebreathers and BCDs and computers, dive accessories and professional diving equipment, there's a lot more to the brand than just second stages and first stages. If you want to explore the full range for yourself, then click this link up in the corner of the screen and down in the description of this video to visit their website just to see everything that Poseidon has to offer. Remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel here on YouTube. Thank you for watching, everybody, and of course, safe diving.